Hey everyone! Welcome back to Hana's English Corner. I'm Hana, and this is your little moment to relax, smile, and learn some real English you can actually use.
And I'm Ethan. Here, we don't chase perfect grammar. We focus on real life English, the kind you can use in everyday conversations.
And today we're focusing on an essential skill for travel and daily life making appointments and reservations in English. Whether you're calling a doctor, booking a hotel, or reserving a table, you need precise, polite language.
Phone or email reservations can be tricky because you need to be very clear about dates, times, and specific requests. We'll show you the key phrases that make you sound confident and organized.
We'll cover everything from asking about availability to handling changes.
All right, let's start with making a personal appointment. Let's dive in.
Let's imagine you need to call a doctor's office or a hair salon. You need to be clear about why you're calling.
You start with, I'd like to job or schedule an appointment with. For example, I'd like to book an appointment with Dr. Pole.
If you're calling a service, you say what you need. I'd like to schedule a haircut for next week.
The key question you'll hear or need to ask is about availability. Do you have any openings on day? Or what is your availability next week? Openings means available time slots.
If they suggest a time that doesn't work, politely refuse. I'm afraid 3 p.m. doesn't work for me. Do you have anything later?
And always ask how long it will take. How long will the appointment take? This helps you plan your day. Now let's move to food. Making a dinner reservation is slightly different.
You state the size of your party and the time. I'd like a table for 4 at 7:30 p.m. this Friday.
You might also have special requests. Could we have a table near the window? Or we need a high chair for a baby.
The restaurant staff may ask you, under what name would you like to reserve? You answer simply with your last name.
Another important question is about rules. Is there a dress code? Dress code means what kind of clothes you should wear.
Let's try. I'd like to make a reservation for 6 people this Saturday at 8 p.m.
Certainly, under what name would that be?
When you're traveling, booking a hotel requires specific vocabulary for room types and prices.
You state the dates and room type. I'm looking for a double room for 2 people from June 5th to June 8th.
You need to ask about the cost. What's the nightly rate for that room? Nightly rate means the price per night.
Then ask about essential services. Is breakfast included? Or, do you have free Wi Fi?
If you want something specific, ask, do you have a room with a view?
And remember to ask about early late policies. What time is check in? And what time is checkout?
I'd like to book a single room for 3 nights. What's the nightly rate? The rate is $150, and yes, breakfast is included.
No matter what you're booking, always confirm the details before hanging up. Use, could I confirm? Could I confirm the time and date of my appointment? Or could you confirm the total price?
Make sure they have your name correctly. I need to confirm my name. It's Hana. Hana.
If you're unsure about the location, ask, where exactly are you located? Or is it near the train station?
This step prevents future confusion. It shows you are careful and professional.
Life happens. You often need to change or cancel. The key here is politeness, as fees might be involved.
To change, use I need to reschedule my appointment. Or, could I change my reservation from Tuesday to Wednesday?
To cancel, be apologetic. I'm very sorry, but I need to cancel my booking. or I'm afraid I won't be able to make it.
For hotels/restaurants, always ask about fees. Is there a cancellation fee?
If you know you'll be late, call ahead. I might be about 10 minutes late for my reservation. This is common courtesy.
Remember, apologizing for the inconvenience shows respect for their time.
Let's combine the skills. You booked a hotel, but now you need to extend your stay.
Hello, this is Hana calling. I have a reservation checking out on Friday.
Yes, Ms. Hana, how can I help?
I was wondering, could I possibly extend my stay for one more night until Saturday?
Let me check our availability. Yes, we have a room. The nightly rate is the same. Could I confirm your name and new checkout date?
Yes, Hana. Checking out on Saturday, June 9th. Thank you so much.
See? Polite requests and clear confirmation make complex changes simple.
You know, Ethan, the most important lesson in booking is that the person on the other end is just trying to help.
That's absolutely right. Your confidence comes from knowing the key phrases. Could I? I'd like to. I need to confirm.
Using that polite language, even under pressure, makes your English sound organized and mature.
So, next time you need to book anything, think in English first. Use these precise phrases, speak clearly, and don't rush.
Practice these small conversations, and you'll find you can handle any situation in English with ease.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
We're proud of you for showing up, learning, and growing.
We hope this episode helped you feel ready to book anything, anywhere with confidence.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow Hana's English Corner and share it with a friend who is also planning a trip.
See you next time on Hana's English Corner.